I'm Al Preston, co-founder of WhoCanFixMyCar.com. We're into our third year of the awards. It's only kind of going one way. We started off with about 70 people year one. We sold out 250 tickets this year. It's super important around connecting our network with all of our friends and partners within the supply chain. We're very much kind of integrated into that space now, and we feel there's a lot of value in mixing everybody up together on a great positive evening.
Hi, I'm Lewis Butcher and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager here at WhoCanFixMyCar.com. Seeing just the growth from the awards over the past 3 years and seeing the growth of some of these garages that I knew 3 years ago to now winning hundreds and hundreds of jobs each year, it's just a really kind of nice validation that what we're trying to do here is working.
With 2018, if we look back on that as a year, it's been a series of step changes for us. We've been through a major funding round in July, which was well publicised at the time, and what that's really enabled us to do is increase the size of the team. As you'll no doubt see at the awards this year, we've moved office into a new space which enables us to work more effectively, which is great, and really that's flowed through to a bigger, stronger garage network. Some of our long-standing members on there really sort of stepping through the gears this year, and some really interesting new members joining the site as well. Breadth of work's increased, so all in all it's been a pretty hectic year, but one that we're keen to recognise.
Yeah, so over the last few years, we've built some great partnerships within the broader ecosystem within the aftermarket, and we've really enjoyed connecting some of these big brands like the RAC, Shell, Brembo, right into the network, and really kind of connecting these guys because, of course, ultimately they are their customers.
Being a headline sponsor is really important to the RAC, so we want to recognise garages that are high performing, and that we could work with in the future. So for us as headline sponsor, it's really good that we can spend the evening recognising those garages and hopefully build a few relationships from it. Garages working with the RAC approved garage network mean that they get access to our brand, so it's a consumer recognised brand. It's synonymous and iconic when it comes to motoring across the UK. So garages get that benefit, that stand out in a very busy marketplace. I mean, we're driving our members in there, we're trying to get more people to go into their garages, so having that affiliation with our brand is really helping drive more customers into these garages.
RAC, a brand recognised name nationally. Everybody knows the RAC vans, from small children to the elderly. So yeah, we're using RAC really to give our company credibility. Eurocar Parts, they offer fast, efficient, quality part supply. Their technical support is second to none, so we're working with them closely to take our company forward.
We'll be able to help your business grow faster. We'll be able to offer you technical support. You have access to a technical training line, so if there's anything you need or guidance, we can support you through that. If there's any diagnostics or garage equipment that you need, again, we've fully got a full back team that can come and support you through that journey.
With Autofirst Network and RAC, with joint partnership with them, it gives us the foothold, gives us a platform, gives us a chance to grow and expand. Like I said, hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm hopefully looking to open up a few more garages with the ECP help as well as Autofirst Network, with Who Can Fix My Car, powered by all of us, working together and move forward. Having a recognition brand of the RAC and Autofirst Network, it gives them the confidence that they know that they've come to the right place. They know that the car's going to be looked after. They know that the right people are looking after the car. The right people are going to do the maintenance. We've got the right software to keep on top of the car. We've got everything that we need practically to make sure the car is serviced at the manufactured standard.
So I think for me, Who Can Fix My Car hosting these awards is really important because the garage owner is the unsung hero of the industry.
To be nominated for 3 awards, considering it's my first year, especially 9 months, it's just a massive achievement. I was not expecting this. To be nominated for Best Garage in the Southwest of England, Best Newcomer and Campbell Specialist, to me is just unbelievable. I love doing what I do. I'm glad I'm getting paid for what I love doing.
For me, those garages in our sector that really perform deserve some recognition for it, and it's nice to bring them together as a peer group and recognise that.
On the awards evening, we're really looking forward to spending the evening with garages that have achieved greatness over the last year. So it's really nice to spend an evening and show our appreciation to those garages.
I think for me, I get a real kick out of seeing the garages step up in front of a big audience and accept their awards and get their photos taken and really get that recognition.